Yes,
My
sir.
screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, just pin my laptop screen. Okay, don't pin my mobile screen. Just pin my laptop screen. Okay. So up to now, we have completed Unit 1. That is Ellis parabola, hyperbola, cycloid, epicycloid, hypocycloid, and after that we have seen projection of point, scale, spline scale, vernier scale, diagonal scale. We have seen some problem. The projection of point, I'm not giving any assignment, but so both the problems I already shared that image. Except one problem, I share the image. Just practice by yourself. Okay. If you have doubt, you can ask later. Okay. So Unit 2, we started with projection of line. We started with projection of line. I already told you, except projection of point alone. So for projection of point alone, we are keeping in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. We are just drawing front view and top view. So except that, hereafter we'll follow only first quadrant, that is first angle projection. We'll keep the component in the first quadrant. We're going to draw front view and top view. So front view will come always above XY line. Okay, so top view will be projected on horizontal plane. We'll rotate clockwise direction 90 degrees. So always top view will come below XY line. Okay, okay. Hereafter, don't think of second quadrant, third, fourth thing. So hereafter only we're going to follow only first quadrant. So what we're going to do now? We're going to keep the line in the first quadrant, that is first angle. We're going to draw front view. So front view will be projected on vertical plane. So top view will be, you have to see from the top. So that will be projected on horizontal plane. That you have to rotate clockwise direction 90 degrees. So always front view will be above XY line. So top will be below XY line. Okay, that keep in your mind. So you need to allow 12A, one question from projection of line. So 12B, one question from projection of lamina or plane surfaces. That is nothing but a circle. So what you are going to do? So projection of line, we are going to keep the line in the first quadrant. We are going to draw front view and top view. Okay. We're going to keep the line in the first quadrant. We're going to draw front view and top view. And projection of lamina. So what we are going to do, we are going to keep a hexagon, a circle, or a pentagon, or rectangle. Okay, some object like that we are going to keep. That is lamina. You know what is the difference between lamina and solid? Lamina means two-dimensional. Solid means three-dimensional. So lamina means two-dimensional. Solid means three-dimensional. So lamina it has two axes. So negligible thickness, negligible weight. But if you take solid, okay, third unit, we are going to keep the solid. We are going to draw front view top views. Third unit, we are going to keep a solid. That is projection of solid. Third unit, only one solid. We are going to keep solid, a cube or a prism or pyramid, something that we are going to keep. In the first quadrant, we are going to draw front view and top view. That's all. Okay, take second unit. So 12A is projection of line. We are going to keep the line in the first quadrant. We are going to draw front view and top view. So 12B is projection of lamina. We are going to keep the lamina. So that is either circle, a rectangle or pentagon or hexagon. We're going to keep in the first quadrant. We are going to draw front view and top view. So last class we have seen what is straight line. Okay, what we have seen what is straight line, and a straight line is the shortest distance between 2 points. So if you want to draw a line in the first quadrant, we need the length of the line, position. So how much distance from above HP, how much in front of VP, the distance is required, as well as how much it is inclined, how much inclined to HP or VP that angle is required. And types of line we have seen: normal line, inclined line, as well as oblique line. When you say normal line, so it is perpendicular to one reference plane but parallel to other reference plane. Okay. When you say normal line, it is perpendicular to one reference plane but parallel to other plane. And we have seen inclined plane. So parallel to one reference plane, but it is inclined to one plane. So inclined to one reference plane, but parallel to other reference plane. That is called inclined line. So oblique line. So it is called inclined to HP as well as VP. I already told you in exam you'll have problem based on oblique line only. Okay, you'll not have other simple questions. You'll have inclined to both HP, VP. You have problems. Okay, and after that we have seen these cases. We'll just recap and we'll just continue. So first case, a vertical line. A line is perpendicular to HP and VP. Line is perpendicular to HP but parallel to VP. A line is perpendicular to HP but parallel to VP. Okay, we say a line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Okay, this is a case. The line is, when you say perpendicular to HP with respect to horizontal plane, the angle should be 90 degrees. When you say perpendicular, angle is 90 degrees. The angle is 90 degrees. The angle is 90 degrees. Okay, when you say perpendicular, line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP means so the angle is 90 degrees. With respect to horizontal plane, the angle is 90 degrees. When you say parallel, the distance should be equal. You have to remember this. At any point with respect to vertical plane, the distance should be equal. So front you will get a line. So front you will get a line. Front you what you get? You'll get a line A dash and B dash. Front you will get a dash and B dash. So top you what will get? So only A is visible. When you just see from the top, only A is visible, but B is at the back side. So you have to say A bracket, you have to mention B. So there is a point B also, but that is not visible from the top view. You have to say this is case number 1. And after that, and we have seen a line is parallel to HP and parallel to VP also. So it is parallel to both HP and VP. A line is parallel to both HP and VP. So this is parallel to HP and VP also. When you just measure the distance from HP, always all the distance are equal. And when you just measure the distance from VP, all the distance are equal. So this is parallel to both HP and VP. So front you also will get a straight line A dash B dash. So top you also will get a straight line AB. The front you will get A dash B dash. So front you means you have to mention dash. Okay. So top you means you have to mention AB alone. Okay. You will get front you also will get a line. So top you also will get a line. But first case front you will get a line, but top you will get a point. So this case number 1. So front you'll get a straight line. So A dash B dash. So top you'll get a point. But A is visible when you just see from the top. A is visible. B is at the back side. You have to mention like this. So case number 2. So front you also straight line A dash B dash. So top you also straight line AB. So top you means you should not mention dash. So whatever you are getting in horizontal plane, you have to rotate clockwise direction 90 degree. Okay. You're getting a point here only. So what is the rule you have to follow? So what is the rule you have to follow? So you're getting a point here only. You're getting a point here. You have to rotate clockwise direction 90. You have to rotate clockwise direction 90 degree. And similarly, you're getting a line here. So top view will be projected on vertical on horizontal plane. So top view will be projected on horizontal plane. That you have to rotate clockwise direction 90 degree. Okay. So this is case number 2. We have seen the case number 3. A line is perpendicular to HP, but line is perpendicular to VP, and so there is a small mistake. Inclined to a line is a parallel to VP, but inclined to HP. A line is inclined to HP. A line is inclined to HP, some angle, maybe 30 degree or 40 degree, something like that. Line is inclined to horizontal plane, but parallel to vertical plane. When you say parallel, the distance should be equal. If you measure at any point, the distance should be equal. Measure the distance from here. Measure the distance from here. Here, that is inclined to HP. There are some angle, maybe 30 degree or something like that. When you say parallel to VP, the distance should be equal. At any point, the distance should be equal. From vertical plane, the distance should be equal. So it is parallel to VP, but inclined to HP. So front you will get an inclined line. So top you will get a reduced length of line. So front you will get an inclined line, whatever the theta. So I already told you, inclined to HP means you have to use theta. Inclined to HP means you have to use theta. So front you will get a inclined line with angle of theta. With angle of theta, you will get an inclined line. You get same length. But top you what will get, what happens? You'll get reduced length of line. So top you what will get? You get a line, but reduced length of line, that is AB. You get a reduced length of line AB. So okay, this is a orthographic projection. So front you will get A dash B dash, but with some inclination, with some theta. So top you will get AB, but reduced length of line. You get reduced length of line. This is case number 3, and case number 4. A line is inclined to vertical plane, but parallel to horizontal plane. A line is inclined to, so when you say inclined to VP, so this is inclined to VP. So this is inclined to vertical plane. Line is inclined to vertical plane, but parallel to horizontal plane. When you say parallel, the distance should be equal. Parallel to horizontal plane. Parallel to horizontal plane. So line is inclined to vertical plane, but parallel to horizontal plane. So front you what you'll get? You'll get reduced length of line, but top you'll get inclined line. Top you'll get inclined line, but with some angle. With some angle. So front you'll get reduced length of line. So front you'll get reduced length of line. But here you have to use the angle pi. So inclined to HP, notation is theta. So inclined to VP, notation is pi. Okay, you have to remember this. Inclined to HP, you have to use theta. So inclined to VP, you have to use pi. So front you will get reduced length of line. So top you will get inclined line itself with the angle of pi. With the angle of pi, you'll get some line. But front you will get AB. But front you will get A dash B dash. But reduced length of line. Front you will get reduced length of line A dash B dash. So whatever you're getting in the top view, you rotate clockwise direction. So horizontal plane, you rotate clockwise direction 90 degree. So when you just rotate, so front you'll get a reduced length of line. So top you'll get inclined line with the angle of pi, with the angle of pi. So case number 5. So this is the most important case. Line is inclined to both HP and VP. Line is inclined to both HP and VP. So here also inclined to HP as well as inclined to VP. Inclined to HP as well as inclined to VP. So here also inclined. This is inclined to horizontal plane, and this is inclined to vertical plane. This is inclined to both HP and VP. Inclined to HP and VP. So both direction will get reduced length of line because it is inclined to both HP and VP. You will get reduced length of line, and top you also will get this angle is called alpha. This angle is called alpha. This we have to calculate after some time. Okay, we have to calculate alpha. So top you also will get reduced length of line. So top you also will get reduced length of line. Okay, top you also will get reduced length of line. AB. This we have to use the notation of beta. Okay, this we have to use notation of beta. Okay, inclined to HP notation is theta. Inclined to VP notation is pi. Okay, in the front view. Okay, after construction you will get a front view, that is A dash B dash. So that angle is called alpha. So top view. Okay, when it is inclined to both HP VP, so top you will get inclined line but reduced length of line. Inclined line but reduced length of line. So that is beta. So that is beta. Okay, you have to remember this 4 notation. This is most important. So theta is inclined to HP. So pi is inclined to VP. Alpha is front view with respect to horizontal line. Front view with respect to horizontal line. When it is inclined to both HP VP, that is alpha. Okay, that is alpha. This one is alpha. So front view. Okay, front view inclination is alpha. So top view inclination is called beta. Top view inclination is beta. But when it is inclined to both HP VP, we have to use alpha beta. So alpha is front view with respect to horizontal line. What is the angle? So top view with respect to horizontal line is called beta. So we have to rotate clockwise direction 90 degree. When you just rotate, you get an inclined line. So here also you'll get an inclined line. You get an inclined line. Here also you'll get an inclined line. You get an inclined line. So alpha beta. So front view also reduce length of line. So top view also reduce length of line. This we cannot use some simple methodology. So we have to apply some different methodology. Okay, there are 3 methods for solving this. So, but exam point of view, I'm going to apply only one method. So rotating line method. So there are 3 methods available: trapezoidal plane method, axillary plane method. But exam point of view, I'm going to apply only rotating line method in syllabus. So if you just go through one method, that's enough as per syllabus. The rotating line method is there, so that only I'm going to follow. Okay, and there is one more case. 6th case. A line is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. A line is perpendicular to VP but parallel to HP. So front view what will get? We'll get a point. Front view what will get? When you just see from the front, you'll get a point. So top view what will get? When you just see from the top, you'll get a line. You'll get a line. You'll get a line. Okay, front view will get a point. Only B is visible, but A is at the back side. You just see from the top view, you'll get a line on the horizontal plane. You rotate clockwise direction 90 degree. Okay, front you'll get. So front you'll get a point A dash. Why I'm putting A dash in the bracket? When you just see from the front, only point B is visible, but A is at the back side. So you have to mention bracket A dash. So when you just see from the top, you'll get A, B is visible. When you just see from the top, you'll get A, B is visible. Okay. So this is what we have seen. We have seen one problem. And before continuing some simple problems today, but we'll just see some one case. One thing is traces. So what is traces? Okay. We'll just see a case. What is the meaning of traces? So what is traces mean? The point of intersection at which the straight line meets the reference plane. Okay. It's called trace. Okay. I'll explain some example. Okay. Just see here. Okay. So here just imagine there is a line is here. Just imagine there is a line here. So when this line extends, and when you extend this line, where will touch? Just imagine when you just extend this line, where will touch? It touch on the horizontal plane. When you extend this line, okay, what is the line? The line is inclined to HP but parallel to VP. When this line is inclined to HP So there is some inclination with respect to HP, inclined to HP, but parallel to, when you say parallel, distance is equal. Parallel to, sorry, inclined to HP, but parallel to VP. Inclined to HP, but parallel to vertical plane. So what is trace means? When you just extend this line, you have to assume when you just extend this line, so that point will intersect on horizontal plane. Okay, so this is a line. When you just extend this line, just extend this line, and just extend this line, that point will intersect on horizontal plane. So then it is called horizontal trace. If you locate a point here, okay, so the angle is 30 degree. When you just extend this line, just extend this line, so that will intersect somewhere here. So this point is called horizontal trace. This point is called horizontal trace. Sometimes it will be like this. So now the line is inclined to vertical plane, but parallel to horizontal plane. When you say parallel, distance is equal. Distance is equal. Inclined to vertical plane, maybe some angle 30 degree. Okay, when you just extend this line, so that will touch on vertical plane. So then it is called vertical trace. Okay, so I'll give one case. When the line is parallel to both HP and VP, just imagine that the line is here like this. The line is like this, parallel to both HP and VP. So when you just extend this line, it will not touch on horizontal plane. It will not touch on vertical plane. So then there is no horizontal trace and there is no vertical trace. So what is trace means? When you just extend the line, so if it touch on horizontal plane, that particular point is called horizontal trace. Okay. Okay. When you just extend the line, that will intersect on vertical plane. When you just extend the line, when it intersect on that when you just extend the line, so that will intersect on vertical plane. So that corresponding point is called vertical trace. So when it is inclined to both HP and VP, sometimes you'll have a horizontal trace also, vertical trace also. Okay. Sometimes you'll have a horizontal trace also, vertical trace also. What is horizontal trace, vertical trace means? So just imagine there is a line. When you just extend the line, okay. So this is a line. This is inclined to HP, but parallel to VP. So when you just extend this line, so that will go and touch on horizontal plane. So this particular point is called horizontal trace. So here the case is this is inclined to vertical plane, but parallel to horizontal plane. When you just extend this line, so that will touch somewhere in the vertical plane. So this particular point is called vertical trace. If it touches on vertical plane, then it is called vertical trace. When you extend the line, it will touch on vertical plane, then it is called vertical trace. Okay, when you extend the line, that will touch on horizontal plane, and then it is called horizontal trace. Some cases there will be no horizontal trace, there will be no vertical trace. So when this case is parallel to both HP and VP, when you just extend this, so it won't touch here. When you just extend this, it won't touch here. It won't touch on horizontal plane as well as vertical plane. Then there is no horizontal trace, there is no vertical trace. Some cases you'll have a horizontal trace as well as vertical trace also. So that depends on how you are keeping the line. When you extend the line, either left side or right side. Here also you can extend. When you extend the line, if it touches on horizontal plane, then it is called horizontal trace. So when you extend the line, if it touches on vertical plane, then it is called vertical trace. Sometimes there is no horizontal trace, there is no vertical trace. Sometimes both it will touch on. Okay, just imagine. So there is a point. There is a line is like this. There is a line like this. Okay. When you extend this, it will touch on vertical plane. When you just extend this, it will touch on horizontal plane. So you'll have horizontal trace as well as vertical trace. That depends on how you are keeping the line. Okay. So you'll have horizontal trace as well as vertical. Some cases there is no horizontal trace, vertical cases. Some cases you'll have horizontal trace alone. Some cases you'll have vertical trace alone. So there is horizontal trace as well as vertical trace. This problem we have seen last class. We'll see another simple 3 problems. Probably tomorrow onwards, we're going to see inclined to both HP and VP. Okay. You note on this problem. So after 1 minute, I'll just just note on this problem. Just copy this problem. The line AB is 60 mm long. Has its N capital A. 20 mm above HP. and 30 mm in front of VP, and 30 mm in front of VP, and 30 mm in front of VP. Full stop. In front of VP. Full stop. The line is kept. The line is kept. The line is kept inclined at. The line is kept inclined at. The line is kept inclined at 40 degree to HP. The line is inclined at 40 degree to HP and parallel to VP, and parallel to VP. Full stop. Parallel to VP. Full stop. Full stop. Draw its projections. Draw its projections. Draw its projections. Also mark the traces. Also mark the traces. Okay. The line AB is 60 mm long. As it's in capital A 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. The line is kept inclined at 40 degree to HP and parallel to VP. So draw its projections. Also mark the traces. I already told you several times. I told you what you have to do. First, read the problem 3-4 times. Understand the problem. So try to visualize. Then start doing the problem. Okay. Then start doing the problem. Okay. Just once again, just. Yeah, just a minute. I'll just. Okay. First, understand the problem. Okay. So hereafter, there is no second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, only first quadrant. Okay. You should not think of second, third, fourth, except projection of point. I already told you, just keep some charts, something like this. Try to visualize. So that is a better way of improving your thinking skill. It is the first quadrant. So it is given like this. The line is given like this. Okay. So this line is given. Okay. Name of this line is AB. It is given like this. Name of this line is so AB. So here line is A. Here line is A. Here point number B. Line is AB. What is the length of this line? The length of the line is given 60 mm. The length of the line is given 60 mm. The length of the line is given 60 mm. Okay. And what is the next condition is given? If the point A is 20 mm above HP. Point A is 20 mm above HP. The point A is 20 mm above HP. So, this is horizontal plane. This is vertical plane. The point A is 20 mm. Point A is 20 mm above HP. The point A is 20 mm above HP. But same point A is it is 30 mm in front of it. The point A is 30 mm in front of you. The point A is 30 mm in front of you. And one more data is given. The line is kept inclined at 40 degree to HP. The line is kept inclined at 40 degree to HP. The line is inclined at 40 degree to HP. The line is inclined at 40 degree to HP. The line is inclined at 40 degree to HP. So this is the final visualization. What is given? The line length is given 60 mm. Line length is given 60 mm. The point A is 20 mm above HP. The same point A is 30 mm in front of VP. The line AB is 40 degree inclined to HP. 40 degree inclined to HP. So this is what final line position. So fronty what will get? So front will get an inclined line. Will get an inclined line. So what is the height from here? Okay, I already told you above HP. Okay, this is a fixed rule. Above HP always comes on in front you. Above HP distance above HP or below HP always comes in front view. So in front of VP or behind VP always come top view. So this is a fixed rule. Okay. When you just see from here front view, only this 20 is visible, but 30 is not visible. So that means with the incline line of 40 degree. So this is a point number A dash. This is B dash. So what is the length of this line? 60 mm. So what is the angle of this? Angle is 40 degree. Angle is 40 degree. Angle is 40 degree. So from here, what is the height? From here, height is 20 mm. From here, height is 20. From here, height is 20. Okay. So top you what you get? So top you will get a reduced length of line. So top you will get reduced length of line. Okay. Top you will get reduced length of line. So what is the gap of this? You get some straight line, but reduced length of line. So what is the gap of this? So top you always will get in front of VP. Top you always will get in front of VP. That is 30 mm. So the value of 30 mm, the gap of 30 mm will get a reduced length of a straight line. Reduced length of straight line. So this is what. Okay, I just pin my mobile screen. I'm going to do the same problem. Okay, same problem. I'm going to do it sheet. Just pin my laptop. Okay, I already told you several times. Read the problem, visualize, and try to solve the problem. So it is given like this: a line. Okay, line AB. It is given like this: a line AB is 60 mm long, and the point A is 20 mm above HP. 20 mm above HP. 20 mm above HP, and the same point A is 30 mm in front of VP. 30 mm in front of VP. 30 mm in front of VP. And one more thing is given. The line is kept. Line is kept. Line is kept. The line is kept. Incline at 40 degree to HP. 40 degree to HP. And parallel to VP. That's most important. Parallel to VP also. Incline to HP. Incline at 40 degree to HP, but parallel to VP. So draw its projections. We have to draw its projection. Draw its projection means we have to draw front view and top view. So draw its projection means we have to draw front view and top view. Also, one more thing is given. Also mark the traces. Also mark the traces. Also mark the traces. Okay. So what we have to do? So first draw a line like this. Okay. First draw a line like this. Okay. First draw a line like this. We have to draw a XY line. Okay. Just draw a XY line like this. So this is nothing but a reference line or XY line. Okay. So when you just okay, so this is a final position of the line. This is a final position of the line. This line is like this. Okay, line is like this. The length is 60 mm. The length is 60 mm. Okay. So this is parallel to VP. So this is parallel to vertical plane. That means the gap is equal, parallel to vertical plane. And the point A is 20 mm above HP. So that when you just see from the front view, you will get above HP.
சரியா தெரியல சார்.
Yeah. Okay, just keep on. Yeah, again, I'm doing it. Okay, so what I'm doing here is.
சார் இல்லை சார், கேமராவில் கிளியராக தெரியல சார் நீங்கள் பண்ணுறது. கொஞ்சம் லெஃப்ட் சைடு மூவ் பண்ணுங்க சார் பேஜ். ஓகே சார், இப்போ தெரியுது.
சரியா, this point AB, the point line AB is 60 mm long. The point A is 20 mm above. The point A is 20 mm above HC, but 30 mm in front of VP. 30 mm in front of VP. The point 30 mm in front of VP, but it is parallel to VP. But how much it is inclined? 40 degree. It is inclined 40 degree. That means front view what will get? The point A dash value will get, okay, from XY line at a distance of 20. So always above HP. Always above HP. So above HP will be in the front view. Above HP only in the front view. Okay, above HP in the front view. And in front of VP will be in the top view. In front of VP will be in the top view. In front of VP will be in the top view. In front of VP will be in the top view. So you have to keep this in your mind. Okay. So you'll get an incline line here. You'll get an incline line. You'll get an incline line. So A dash, B dash. So what is the height of this? This is 20. So what is the angle of this? You'll get an angle of 40 degree. You'll get an angle of 40 degree. So top you what will get? You'll get a reduced length of line. So what is the gap of this? This is in front of VP. This is in front of VP, that is 30 mm. In front of VP, that is 30 mm. Okay, in front of VP, that is 30 mm. The same thing I'm going to do with the exact scale. I'm going to do with exact scale. So first draw one line here, XY line. First draw one line here, XY line. First draw one XY line like this. First draw one line like this, XY line. First draw one XY line like this. First draw one line here. This is called XY line. This is called XY line. This is called XY line. Okay, draw one line here. This is called XY line. So this is XY line or a reference line. One more name for this: XY line or a reference line. XY line or a reference line. XY line or reference line. So the name of this line is XY line as well as reference line. So outlocate point number A. So it is 20 mm above HV. It is 20 mm above HV. So from here 20 mm. So from here, from XY line, from here 20 mm. So from here 20 mm, locate a point. From here 20 mm, locate a point. This is A dash. This is A dash. So the distance is 20 mm. The distance is 20 mm. The distance is 20 mm. Distance is 20 mm. The distance is 20 mm. Distance is 20 mm. Distance is 20 mm. And so through this, okay, I can. So everything you have to use pencil only for clarity purpose. I'm using pen, so don't. Okay. So draw one horizontal line here. Draw one horizontal line because it is inclined. The line is inclined. How much it is inclined? 40 degree. The line is inclined at 40 degree to HP, but parallel to EP. Just keep the product here. Just keep the product here. Just keep the product here. Keep the product here. So from here with the angle of 40 degree. From here with the angle of 40 degree. So from here with the angle of 40 degree, locate a point here. And what is the length of this line? The length of the line is 60 mm. The length of the line is 60 mm. Okay. So through that particular point, so through this A dash and through the inclined angle of 40 degree, so locate 60 mm. Locate 60 mm. So this is B dash. Okay, this is B dash. This is B dash. This is B dash. So what is the angle of this? You have to mention the angle also. You have to mention the angle also. This is 40 degree. So this is what you'll get in the front view. This is what you get in the front view. Okay. So top view, what you have to do? So what is the gap here? In front of VP, what is the distance? In front of VP distance is, so in front of VP distance is 30 mm. In front of VP is 30 mm. So what you have to do? From this particular point, so draw a projection line. From this particular point, draw a projection line. It should be very, very light. I need to just hold here. Just hold the pen somewhere here. So give a little pressure. So you can draw a very light lines. Okay, very light lines like this. Okay. So from here, in front of VP distance is 30. So from XY line, with the value of, from XY line with the value of 30. From XY line with the value of 30. So locate a point here. Locate a point 30. Say from here with the value of 30, locate a point here. So this is point number A. This is point number A. So the gap is 30. The gap is 30 mm. 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 You have to use only pencil, and the line should be straight. Okay, this is 30. You got 30. This is point number A. To locate point number B, what we have to do? From this, okay, if you have a minute after, that's better. Okay, so you can just keep the minute after and just tighten this and just move to B dash. Just move to B dash. Just move to point number B dash. From point number B dash, you have to draw a parallel to this line. Parallel to this line. So from point number B dash, you have to draw a vertical line. You have to draw a vertical line. From point number B dash, you have to draw a vertical line. From point number B dash, you have to draw a vertical line. Already you got point number A. Already you got point number A. So from this, from point number A, so draw one horizontal line from point number A. So from here with the gap of 30, you got something here. From this, draw a horizontal line. From this, draw a horizontal line. So top you will get something like this. This is
தெரியல, கீழே ஹரிசாண்டல்.
Hello?
கொஞ்சம் கேமரா டவுன் பண்ணி சார். ஹரிசாண்டல் தெரியல, கீழே ஏ டு பி கனெக்ட் ஆகுது.
தெரியலையா?
இப்போ ஓகே.
ஸ்க்ரீன்ல எனக்கு தெரியுது. நான் மொபைல் லேப்டாப்ல பார்த்துட்டு தான் இருக்கேன். தெரியுது. I think what's the issue? மத்தவங்களுக்கு தெரியுதாப்பா? What about others?
சார் தெரியுது சார்.
Actually நான் என்னுடைய லேப்டாப்ல பார்த்துட்டு தான் போட்டுருக்கேன். Okay. So what we have done, we with the height of 20, you got A dash, just kept the productor with the angle of 40 degree. We got with the value of 60 mm, with the value of 60 mm, you got B dash. This is your front view. You have to mention 40 degree. Okay, you have to say this is front view. You have to say here front view. Then this gap is 20 mm. So in front of VP distance is given 30 mm. Okay, in front of VP is given. Say this is a fixed rule. Okay, above HP distance will be, that is what only visible in the front view. In front of VP will be visible only in the top view. This is always in front of VP. This is always in front of VP. This is always above HP. Okay. So this is always above HP. This is always in front of VP. Okay. So in front of VP you got 30 mm. So from here 30 mm, locate your point.
Clear ah theriyala sir.
அப்ப மத்தவங்களுக்கு தெரியுதாப்பா? எனக்கு ஆக்சுவலி நான் என்னோட லேப்டாப்ல பாக்குறேன்ப்பா. நல்லா
தெரியுது
சார். இல்ல சார், டல்லா இருக்கு.
என்னப்பா? I think maybe you're seeing from mobile.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Maybe that is the reason. What do you know? Others la கரெக்ட்டா தெரியுதாப்பா?
தெரியுது சார்.
நான் ஆக்சுவலி நான் என்னுடைய மொபைல்ல நான் பாக்குறேன். பக்கத்துல லேப்டாப் வச்சு நான் பார்த்துட்டு தான் நான் போறேன். Okay, maybe some issue for you, just check it. Okay, so you got point number A. So from here with the value of 30. So from B dash, you have to draw a vertical line. So when you say vertical, okay, so you have to draw a vertical line. So it should be 90 degree. It should be 90 degree here. So this is perpendicular to this. This is parallel to this line. So this is called projection line. So this is called projection line. Okay, you draw a vertical line. From point number A, draw your horizontal line. So this is your top view. Okay, this is your top view. But sometimes it may be asked, what is the top view length? You have to measure the calculation. So top view length, as per my measurement, so top view length, what I got is, I'm getting 45 mm. So this problem it is not asked. Okay, this problem it is not asked. But if it is asked, top view length is 45 mm. Okay, and problem is not over. And one more question is asked. Draw its, mark the traces. இதுல என்ன இருக்கும்? horizontal trace இருக்கும், vertical trace இருக்கும்ப்பா. இதை எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்றேன். Just extend this line. What is the trace that will intersect on horizontal plane? Just extend this line that intersect on horizontal plane. You'll have only horizontal trace. So you'll have some points here that will touch on horizontal plane. When you just extend this line, so that line will come and intersect on, and just extend this line. Okay, you have to imagine when you just extend this, so that will intersect on horizontal plane. You'll have a horizontal trace. You have to locate horizontal trace. How to locate horizontal trace means the problem is over. How to locate horizontal trace means from this incline line, just extend this. From this incline line, extend this line. From this incline line, extend this line. From this incline line, extend this line. Okay, that will touch somewhere. So that will touch somewhere on the XY line. When you just this incline line, just extend this incline line. Just extend this incline line. Just extend this. When you just extend this, they'll touch on XY line. Okay, this and all, it should be very light.
Sir, எதுவுமே கேட்கல.
Okay, for visibility, I'm doing it. Okay, fine. So what you have to do? Okay, one second. So there is some connectivity issue, right? So what I done here? So I'm just extend this line. I'm just extend this incline line. Just extending this incline line. So that'll touch on XY line. So just give some names here. Just give some name here. H dash or something like that. I'm just giving name here. H dash. If it's horizontal trace, just give a name. H dash. If it's a vertical trace, just give B dash. Then what we have to do? This line you have to extend. This top view line you have to extend. This top view line you have to extend this. And H dash. From H dash, from H dash, you have to draw a vertical line. From H dash, you have to draw a vertical line. So they'll touch somewhere here. Intersecting point is horizontal trace. Intersecting point is HT. You have to mention HT, horizontal trace. I'll repeat what I done here. So this line, I'm just extending this line. Okay, just extending this line. So that extension line will intersect on XY line. The extension line will intersect on XY line. So here I'm giving some name here, H dash. I'm giving some name here, H dash. This top view length is there. The top view got straight line, but reduced length of line. This line, just draw some extension line. From this, draw some extension line. From H dash, draw a vertical line. From H dash, draw a vertical line. So both will intersect on somewhere here. You'll get a particular point. So you'll get some particular point. That particular point is called horizontal trace. That particular point is called horizontal trace. That particular point is called horizontal trace. Okay. So this is your front view. This is your top view. So this is your horizontal trace. Okay. I told you, but exam point of view, this is not that much important.
Sir, one doubt,
but,
sir. Sir, on the top view line வந்து லைட்டா இருக்கணுமா சார்?
எக்ஸாம்பிள்ல தெரிய வேண்டியது இந்த லைன் தெரியணும், ஃப்ரண்ட் வியூ லைன் தெரியணும், இந்த டாப் வியூ லைன் தெரியணும், எக்ஸ்ஒய் லைன் தெரியணும், இந்த ஹரிசாண்டல் ட்ரேஸ் உடைய பாயிண்ட் தெரியணும். மற்றபடி எல்லாம் நான் ஏற்கனவே சொல்லிட்டேன். என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, இந்த பென்சில் இருக்குல்ல, ஜஸ்ட் ஹோல்ட் சம்வேர் ஹியர். டோன்ட் கீப் இட் ஹியர். ஜஸ்ட் ஹோல்ட் ஹியர். Apply very little pressure. Just see here. So what I'm doing here? Okay, just here. So the line is, I drawn a line here, but it is very light. Okay. So that is a method. Otherwise, you can use 2H pencil or 3H or something like that. Okay. If you use 2H pencil, 3H, you get very light lines. But if you use HB, 2B and all, you get darkened lines. Okay. So only this front view should be visible, and the top view line should be visible, the XY line should be visible, and the horizontal trace should be extension line, dimension line, okay, this projection line, this is all called projection line. So everything should be very light. We'll see one more problem, and probably next class we'll go for inclined to both HPVP. Just see this problem. Once again, just from laptop. Okay, just fill my laptop. Put on this problem. The line AB is 60 mm long. The line AB is. So this is all I already told you. This is all exam point of view. This they will not ask, but most important cases inclined to both HPVP. Probably next class I'm going to start. So that is most important. Okay. The line AB is 60 mm long as its end. The line AB is 60 mm long as its end. Capital A, 30 mm above HP, and 20 mm in front of VP, full stop. 20 mm in front of VP, full stop. The line is kept inclined at. The line is kept inclined at 50 degree to VP, and parallel to HP. 50 degree to VP and parallel to HP. Draw its projections. Repeat one more time. Line AB is 60 mm long as its end, capital A, 30 mm above HP, and 20 mm in front of VP. The line is kept inclined at 50 degree to VP. The line is kept inclined at 50 degree to VP and parallel to HP. We'll stop. Draw projections. Draw its projections. Okay, just so this problem, just I already told you, if you want to prepare better means, I already told you, read the problem 3 times, 4 times. Okay, try to visualize. So what I'm doing now, so I'm just doing something like that. So same thing you have to visualize and try, then understand the problem, then start doing the problem. Don't start immediately. So first read the problem 3 times, 4 times, and try to visualize like this. What I'm doing here, I'm going to do something here. What I'm doing here is Just draw something here. Just try to draw some first quadrant and try to visualize the component. Then start doing the problem. Okay. It is given like this. The line is given like this. It's given like this. Okay. It's given like this. A line AB. A line AB. So line is AB. Line AB is 60 mm long. Line AB is 60 mm long. Line AB is 60 mm long. Capital A is 30 mm. Capital A is 30 mm above HP. 30 mm above HP. The capital A is 30 mm above HP. The capital A is how much in front of VP? In front of VP is 20 mm in front of VP. 20 mm in front of VP. 30 mm in front of VP. The line is kept inclined at 50 degree to vertical plane. Last case we have seen inclined to horizontal plane, but here this is inclined. How much inclined to vertical plane? So inclined to vertical plane. Inclined to vertical plane. How much is inclined? 50 degree to vertical plane and parallel to horizontal plane. 50 degree to vertical plane and parallel to horizontal. When you say parallel, the distance is equal. Distance is equal. So front you what will get? Front you what will get? You will get reduced length of line. But top you what will get? So top you what will get? You will get inclined line. So top you will get. Top you what? Say this is simply opposite. Okay. Last case is inclined to HP. This is inclined to VP. So front you what will get? You will get reduced length of line. Okay. Front you will get reduced length of line. So but top you will get inclined line with the angle of 50 degree. What is the gap you will get? So top you will be always in front of VP. That is 20 mm gap. So front you will be above HP. That is 30 mm. Okay. So this problem, just do it. And clearly told you. I just pin my mobile screen. Okay, understand the problem and then solve the problem. Okay, so it is given like this. A line is given like this. So the line is AB 60 mm long. Line is AB 60 mm long, and the point the end A is 30 mm above HP. The same point A is 20 mm in front of VP. 20 mm in front of VP. 20 mm in front of VP. And one more thing is given. The line is inclined at. Line is inclined at 50 degree to vertical plane and parallel to horizontal plane. So draw its projection. So for this, you will not have horizontal trace, you will have vertical trace, but here they didn't ask to do vertical trace. So if it is necessary, you can do that also. But here they didn't ask to do vertical trace. Draw its trace. Only it is given draw its projection. So what is draw its projection means? You have to draw front view and top view. So first try to visualize the problem like this. Okay. So the line is kept like this. So from here, distance is above HP distance is 30 mm. In front of VP distance is 20 mm. The angle is 50 degree. Inclined to VP but parallel to HP. So front you what will get? You will get reduced length of line, straight line. But top you will get inclined line with the angle of 50 degree. With the angle of 50 degree, you will get the inclined line. So then what you have to do? Same problem. Like previous problem, it is simply opposite. Okay. So what you have to do? So just draw a line like this, XY line. First draw a XY line like this. First draw a XY line like this. So you have to say this is XY line, and you have to say this is reference line. You have to say this is XY line as well as reference line. You have to say XY line as well as reference line. You have to say here reference line. So then what you have to do? So top in front of VP distance is given 30. So top you only first you can do it here. So top you what you have to do? So in front of VP distance is given. So from here with the value of 30. So locate it. sorry, in front of VP is 20 mm. In front of VP, this problem is going 20 mm. So 20 mm in front of VP. So locate a point here. So this is 20 mm. This is 20 mm in front of VP. So 20 mm in front of VP. Locate a point here. So this is your A. This is your A. And from this, draw a horizontal line. So I am doing this to keep the productor. That's the only reason I'm doing here. Okay. So keep the productor. Okay. Just draw a horizontal line. Then keep the productor here. Then keep the productor here. Just keep the productor here. So with the angle of 50 degree, you have to locate from here. You have to locate from here 50 degree with the angle of 50 degree. So locate a point here. The angle of 50 degree. Locate a point here. The angle of 50 degree. Locate a point like this. So through this, okay. So what is the length of the line is given the problem? 60 mm. The length of the line is given the problem is 60 mm. The length of the line is given the problem is 60 mm. So from here, so with the value of 60 mm, from here with the value of 60 mm, from here with the value of 60 mm. Okay, locate your point here. So this is A, this is B. This is point number A. This is point number B. So this is point number A. This is point number B. So what is the angle of this? This angle is 50 degree. The angle is 50 degree. The angle is 50 degree. The angle is 50 degree. We got top view. We got top view. We got top view. We got top view. Okay. So this is length is 60 mm. So you have to say this is top view. You have to say this is top view. So I will draw front view. So front view is, so from this, through point number A, okay, draw a vertical line. So this is all projection line. This is called projection line. So it should be very light. So above HP distance is given 30. Above HP distance is given 30 mm. So from here with the value of 30. From here with the value of 30. So locate a point here. From here with the value of 30. Locate a point here. Okay. So this point. So this is called A dash. This is called A dash. And this is, so this is height is 30 mm. This height is 30 mm. Always this is above HP. This is in front of VP. Okay. This is always below X12 line will get in front of VP. This is above HP. Front view always will get above HP. So top view always will get in front of VP. Top view will get always in front of VP. Okay. And from this, from point number B, draw a vertical line. So from point number, that is from point number B, draw a vertical line. 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 From A dash, draw a horizontal line. From A dash, draw a horizontal line. From A dash, so draw a horizontal. From A dash, draw a horizontal line. From A dash, draw a horizontal line like this. From A dash, draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, draw a horizontal line. This is B dash. This is your front view. This is your front view. Sometimes they may ask, so what is the measurement of front view? So you have to measure the distance. It is you are getting 39. So front view is, you have to write. So front view length is 39 mm. Front view length is 39 mm. So like that you have to write. But so this is your top view. So this is your top view. So this is your front view. So problem is over. But if it is asked, this problem we have only vertical trace. We'll have only vertical trace. So what we have to do? So this line you have to extend this. This line you have to extend. That question is not asked. I'm just doing extra. We just extend this line. Just extend this line. So that will touch somewhere on the XY line. You have to give B dash. You have to give B dash. From this, from A dash. Okay, from A dash. Just extend this line. Just extend this line. Okay, from V dash. Okay, draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line. So that will touch somewhere here. So this is your vertical trace. This is your vertical trace. Repeat one more time. From this line, just extend this. So that will intersect somewhere on the XY line. I'm giving V dash. From the front view length, just extend this line. So this point, from this particular point, draw a vertical line. So from front view, draw a horizontal line. So both will intersect somewhere here. This particular point is called vertical trace. This particular point is called vertical trace. Okay. Is there any doubt? Okay, with this, I'm completing the basic things. The problem next class will see inclined to both HPV. Next class will see inclined to both HPVP. So I took the attendance. Mathmesh. கொஞ்சம் இருக்குங்க. மற்றபடி வேற ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தா மற்றவங்க மற்றபடி அதர்ஸ் வேற ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்காப்பா இருக்காது. இன்னொரு யாரோ ஒரு பையன் கேட்கறாங்க. மதிவானன் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. Others you can leave. If you have a doubt, you can stay. Others you can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
சார் வாய்ஸ் பக்
சார் ஈஸி பிரசன்டேஷன் இருக்குல்ல சார்,
One second.